Right guys, Ali the Kid 06 here, bringing tutorial on upgrading a MacBook Pro hard drive. This is my first tutorial and I'm going to apologise for the camera angle because my camera is not the best for videos. Alright, so you're going to need your MacBook obviously, Torx screwdrivers and normal screwdrivers plus your new hard drive. Alright, so first things first, there's 10 screws around the back of your Mac on the later versions, so you're going to have to unscrew all of those, which I get done fairly quickly with the magic of video editing. Right, so take it off your hard drive. You should be able to tell what it is, and there's a black bracket holding it in place, which you need 2 screws, quite small. You need to unscrew those. Doesn't take too long and it's not too tricky. So get that unscrewed. The screws I don't think come out, so it's fairly safe to just bob it down. And then there will be a pull tab on your hard drive. I've changed mine so it's not on there. Let's just take it out, and it's got a SATA connection which just pops off. No screws, nothing to untouch. It just clicks off nice and easy. I'm careful with it, you don't want to break it. Okay, so that's the old hard drive. And then the next thing, get your Torx screwdriver. It's a Torx 7. You can't see that's fuzzy. It is fuzzy. There's 4 little rivets poking out, 4 little things which you need to unscrew because they hold your hard drive in place along with a bracket which you've just taken off. So I'm unscrewing the 4 from either side. I've not sped this bit up. And what I've done beforehand is I've cloned my old hard drive onto the new one. So if you know, drop comments and stuff, send me personal messages saying if you want to see a tutorial on that. You can do, or you just YouTube it. The software that I used was called Super Duper. The free version works fine. You don't need to buy the pro version unless you want to, but the free version does a great job of it. And then I don't know how long this takes. Shouldn't be too much longer. I think I've done it there. And then right, so that's my new hard drive that I've just picked up. I've filmed this in segments, and you got to attach the rivets onto your new hard drive. So this is like the turning point. You've done everything. Now you're going in reverse with the new hard drive. There will be a pull tab on yours which you just take off. It's got a little bit of like glue on. You just pull it off your old one, stick it back on, stick it onto your new hard drive. You see it on mine there. I think I've got 1 or 2 done already. Sorry, I should have sped this up. If you're watching this and you're into video editing, subscribe to my channel because I'm bringing out a how to edit like a pro, like a boss even, edit like a boss series. I've got a little episode 0, it's a special episode explaining what's going on there. That will be coming out soon, and they will be better than this. Screen capture software will do a better job than my camera as far as capturing what we're doing goes. Okay, so I should be just about finishing off that now, hopefully. Awkward silence. You do need a Torx screwdriver to take those pins out though. Right, so that's all 4 done. You can see the pull tab, and it basically just slots in real nice. So just click the SATA connection back into the new hard drive and then just slide it on in place. Clicks in easy like that. And then you bob your bracket back on. This doesn't take too long at all. Just for the record, there are 3 longer screws that come out your MacBook Pro near the battery pack. So just make a note of, if you take the back off, where they come from. This applies to, I think it's like the summer 2010 MacBooks, the Core. It was the last line of Intel Core Duos before they brought out the Intel i3, i5, i7 processors. So anything from there upwards should work. So I screwed it all back on. This is a boot time. It was the first time I booted it up. After installing the new hard drive, so it did take a bit longer than usual, but it shouldn't do in future, because my old hard drive was 5400 RPM and the new one is 720 RPM. So after booting it up another time, shutting it down, booting it up, it should be fine. So it probably took, I have sped it up a little bit, the video. So in fairness, it took about a minute the first time. Usually takes about 30 seconds or something like that. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope it helped. If you have any trouble, just comment, comment, send me a PM, whatever. Subscribe for more tutorials. Check my other video out. It's mainly a gaming channel, so if you like gaming and stuff, check it out. Thanks for watching.